Welcome back to my channel, where we review the most exhilarating machines on two wheels. Today, we're diving into the heart-pounding world of the Zontes 703RR. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. First up, let's talk about the aesthetics. The Zontes 703RR is a head-turner, with its sleek design, aggressive stance, and those eye-catching LED lights. It's not just a bike, it's a statement. And trust me, when you pull up on this beast, people will notice. Under the hood, under the tank, we've got a 700 cubic centimeters triple engine that roars to life with a flick of the throttle. This isn't just any bike, it's a powerhouse of performance. With a top speed that leaves competitors in the dust and acceleration that pins you back in your seat, the Zontes 703RR is built for those who crave speed and agility. But speed isn't everything. How does it handle? The Zontes 703RR glides through curves like it's on rails, offering impeccable handling and a ride quality that's both smooth and responsive. Whether you're carving up mountain roads or cruising through city streets, this bike delivers an unforgettable experience. Now, let's geek out over some tech. The 703RR is packed with advanced features. Think TFT display, smart key, multiple riding modes, and even traction control. It's not just a bike. It's a technological marvel. Zontes has truly thought of everything to enhance your riding experience. So, what's the verdict? The Zontes 703RR isn't just a motorbike. It's an adrenaline-fueled dream machine. If you're looking for style, performance, and cutting-edge tech, this bike checks all the boxes. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, the 703RR promises to keep you on the edge of your seat. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things Zontes bikes. And let me know in the comments, what's your dream bike? Until next time, ride safe and ride hard. Regards, Madmick.